7111 North 9th Street. 3-bedroom, 1 bath, front yard, right off of Crawford and 9th. Fenced backyard, central heat and air, tile floors, pantry, refrigerator, kitchen remodeled, marble countertops, or granite as it may be called, microwave, stainless steel stove, laundry room, utility room, water heater, all those things that you don't know what they are. Got a hose, fenced yard, storage shed, patio, picnic table, your central air unit. Let's go see what's inside the shed. Dead tree. Ooh, rake, broom, bug spray, some fence, some shelving, and some other stuff, who knows what. Whoa. Gate. Back to the house. Living room. Hello. 2 ceiling fans. Another closet. Alarm system. I don't know if it works or not. Master bedroom. Ceiling fan again. Blinds in here. The master bathroom, the only one. Lots of lights to see. Tub and shower combo. Sprayer. You need a shower curtain. Hall closet. Second bedroom. Ceiling fan again. Closet. Let's make sure the fan works. And the fan works. Hooray. Third bedroom. Final bedroom. Tile floors. Ceiling fan. Walk-in closet. Not much of one. And that completes our tour of 7111 North 9th Street. Ready to rent.